Hello friends. Welcome to the next video of the series of tariff determination process in India. We are continuing to discuss components under expenditure head, and in this video, we are talking about interest on working capital. To begin with, let us understand why a distribution company actually needs working capital. For this we need to understand the cash flow cycle of a distribution company. Once the power is supplied to the consumers, the distribution company raises bills for the same at the month end, and time is given to consumers to pay the bills. On an average, the time gap between the energy sale to the recovery of the bill takes approximately 45 to 60 days. This clearly indicates the lag between actual expense and revenue. Hence, in order to meet the daily expenses, distribution companies need working capital. Next, we will try to understand the term working capital itself. Working capital indicates the liquidity level of a company for managing its daily expenses, which include inventory, accounts payable, accounts receivables, etc. In the power distribution sector, it is required to carry out the daily works like operation and maintenance expenses for the existing system, payment of power purchase cost, and payment of transmission charges. Now, we see components considered under working capital. While these components varies from state to state, some of the components considered are as follows. Components like revenue from sale of electricity, O&M expenses, and maintenance spares, as part of renovation and modernization expenses, are added. However, components like power purchase cost, transmission, SLDC and wheeling charges, and security deposits from customers are subtracted from the above. Moving forward, we will try to understand why just interest on working capital is considered. Working capital is the amount required by the distribution companies throughout the year. But as they recover the revenue on a regular basis during the year, hence the working capital gets renewed every time. This means that working capital is needed for a short duration. Hence, this amount is considered as a short-term loan by distribution companies taken during that short duration. So, instead of considering the whole amount, the interest on working capital is given significance in the tariff determination process. At last, we will see the role of the State Commission in determining the interest on working capital. Every State Commission in their tariff determination regulation provides the components which are included under working capital. In the same regulation, they mention the interest rate which is considered for determining interest on working capital. As this component is derived from various other parameters, the role of the State Commission is very significant. Hope you learned the basics about working capital in this video. We will continue to discuss the expenditure components in upcoming videos. Comment below to share your views on this tariff series. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.